Where did we go?
Into the fish shop.
What did we see?
Fish. And birds.
And birds.
And it wasn't a rooster.
A rooster? You're a funny girl. I don't remember a rooster at the bird shop.
It's an other.
I remember a parrot. Did you see a parrot?
Yeah, and then there's your pepper. Then is
It's my paper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before you get a pen,
Where is my pen?
it's in your pocket.
Oh, you remembered I put it in my pocket because somebody was trying to draw with it, huh? It's my pen, though.
And I can get out.
You want to get out?
Yeah.
Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Okay, who are you bringing with you? Who's that, Psycho Rabbit
Yeah.
or Psycho Bunny?
I think your bunny.
Psycho Bunny?
Yeah.
Who named him Psycho Bunny?
Mommy!
Here you go, I'll pick you up. Up you go. Up you go, baby girl. Come to Papa. Come to Papa.
I can get up.
Whoa!
Papa, draw with this
Now are you up?
pen.
Huh?
Papa, draw with this pen.
You can't draw with that pen. It's my pen. Don't even look at my pen, okay?
Okay.
Then it won't be tempting.
I want to see Mama. I want to see Mama.
Oh, okay. Shall we go see